Imagine more hard to. Good morning, everyone. I have recently just finished lesson 14, and what I noticed is that Séimhiú or aspiration or Lenition, it's the same thing, was popping up, and I just wanted to do a little quick video on it just to show you this little infographic I've been working on. Hopefully, if this comes back with little to no corrections, very soon I will have a free textbook with corrections from my videos, which I have made mistakes, and my apologies. Certain things just is human error to make mistakes when writing longhand. A lot of this is typed up. Because it's typed up, I can use spell checkers and stuff. So you might notice in my progress in art videos, fada missing over a te, or I have said the word dinner for person, but I wrote dini. Simple little things like that, which can be corrected so much easier with the use of technology. Given that, I'd like to clarify some things about aspiration. So, aspiration, or is it Lenition? It's both. in Irish, it's called Séimhiú. So, i.e., this is adding a H after the initial consonant. So, for the very reason there's only one word for it in Irish, Séimhiú, it's the word I'm going to use for now. But you can do whatever you want. If aspiration is what sticks in your head, let it be aspiration. If Lenition is what sticks in your head, let it be Lenition. But Séimhiú is the only thing that sticks in my head, so that's what I'm going to use from now on. So, there are a few letters that cannot be aspirated. I repeat, cannot. Do not put a H after these letters or combination of letters. Now, I came up with a mnemonic to help you remember. I was taught a brilliant one by my lecturer. What was it? Stewed scallions smell spicy. That covers one half. Another part I learned from a grammar book, but it was missing a letter. They told me LNR. They just assumed that I would know that H does not cause aspiration. But I've seen a combination of two consonants before in Irish, such as the suffix E-A-N-N on words. That's two N's. So if two N's can go together and nobody tells you two H's cannot go together, how would you know? So this is me telling you, do not put a H after H. Some grammar books don't cover it, but I'll cover it for you. Do not put a H after hatta, ha-hatta. It doesn't work. So these are a few letters that cannot. I combine my two mnemonics to make a new one. That is L, don't add LH, doesn't work. HH doesn't work. RH doesn't work. NH doesn't work. Now I learned that it's LRN, but H does not aspirate. Just so you've been told it, and I can say I told you, so I can pass on my mistakes and what I learned from it. Do not aspirate after H. Even though it sometimes won't be on the list, it's on my list. Don't do it. LHRN. Now, these are combinations. ST words don't aspirate. SC words don't aspirate. SM words don't aspirate. And SP words don't aspirate. Don't get confused. It's not the letter S, because you got words like shul, which becomes hul. That S can aspirate, but ST cannot aspirate, SC cannot aspirate, SM cannot aspirate, and SP cannot aspirate or add Séimhiú. So, your mnemonic, little Harry recently noticed LHRN, stewed scallions smell spicy. So don't aspirate ST words, don't aspirate SC words, don't aspirate SM words, and don't aspirate SP words. We don't touch them. Now, to put this into some context, I have another section putting verbs in the past tense, and you get to see this in a little bit more. Hopefully soon I'll be showing you all this. Here we go. Putting a verb in the past tense. 3 simple steps. 1. Does the verb, doing word or actionable word, does this verb start with a consonant? If so, we add a H after the initial consonant. So I put the initial consonant in red, and then the second letter is in green. you want to split them apart and put the H in the middle. So kota becomes hota. Again, as you can see, this excludes little hairy, recently noticed stewed scallions smell spicy. And also, this excludes the letter F. Now, F is a consonant. It's not on the list. But as you can see, it's in a different colour. It'll be covered later on down the page. See Rule 3. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. If it starts with a consonant, add a H. If it's on that list, don't have it, add a H. Is it a vowel or the letter F? If so, move on from Rule 1. So does it begin with a vowel? And this is A, E, I, O, U. The 5 vowels. If it begins with one of the 5 vowels, you want to prefix it, as in put it beforehand. Put a D before the word. So the verb eat for eat becomes dich, et. Ol is the word for drink, or the verb for drink. Dole, drank. Now, my little mnemonic, D for did. And same one for up here. This is a verb in the past tense. So when we add a H, it happened. Past tense, or did, as in it's already done. Past tense. Rule 3. Does it begin with F? Now, it is a consonant. It's not a vowel, but it gets treated like both. So you put a D and a H in this word. So first you prefix it with a D, D apostrophe as seen in green. Then you want to split the initial consonant, which is F, and then the second letter, which is A, split them apart, put a H in, and then put it back together. And you get fan for wait, just became dan, waited, waited. Muy galore, Harja. Well done, everyone. I will be covering some more of these appendices in detail, but I want to get them corrected first before I publish them online and make even more mistakes. So, Bio Le Jess Agav Harja. Have a wonderful day, everyone.